start the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for coming. We're really excited to host you all. First, I will just take a moment to just share a little bit about Alan, because I'm not sure how much everyone knows about Alan. So, Alan is one of the most successful companies when it comes to test prep. Whether you take the IIT JEE exam or the medical entrance exam, which is NEET, or foundational courses for 6 to 10 as well. Over the course of our 35-year legacy, we've taught about 2.5 million students. And if you look at the top engineering and medical institutes, over 20% of the students would have studied from Alan. And I think what is really most special is that over this course of 35 years, we have really understood what it takes to make a student successful, to make them successfully prepare for some of these competitive exams. And we have, of course, most of our presence has been so far in the offline world, right? We have classroom programs that we run. But about 3 years ago, we decided to also teach students online, because there were many students who don't have access to these classroom programs, right? And this has been, when we started about 3 years ago, really most of the work in terms of technology and bringing digital access to a lot of these students has started over the course of last year and a half to 2 years. And today is a very momentous occasion for us, because a lot of the hard work that we have poured in, we actually have success to show there. Right? We have Aviv with us, who is AIR 69, All India rank 69 for the joint entrance exam. Not only that, he has also written the medical exam at the same time, where he has scored 705 out of 720. And he is also among the rank 7 in his West Bengal JEE exam. So it's a very, very special achievement, and we also, as Alan Online, we're very, very proud of course, what our students have accomplished, but it's also a moment of celebration for us, because the effort we have put in is starting to show, right? We also have Mayuk with us, who has scored AIR 161 in the IIT Joint Entrance exam. And like I said, our experience on online, we started with the belief that there are many students who don't have access to offline, and truly we believe that if we look at the student's learning journey, there is a lot of learning that happens just outside of the lectures, right? Whether it's mentorship, whether it's test, whether it's practice, whether it's doubts. And we believe that digital can truly differentiate, add differentiation there and add a lot of value there. And that is how we have built our whole learning experience, and we're extremely proud to share the results today. Of course, today is about these two young gentlemen, and we'd love for you all to talk to them, to learn what it took to get to this place. But thank you so much for coming, and I'll also hand over to Gaurav sir if he wants to add.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So already ma'am has briefed everything. The idea is this result is clear testimony of the hard work of the students, support of the parents, and whatever Alan is known for, the academic excellence, and now with the cutting edge technology, right? So it itself is a testimony. Along with these students and other men, we also have Ankit Khurana sir. He is the Chief Product Officer, and Saurabh Tandon sir, he is the Chief Technology Officer. So now I would open the forum to interact with these students. Anything you want to know, you want to talk to them. Along with these students, we also have their family members. With Avik, we have their parents with us. And with Mayuk, we have his brother with us. And we also have Gaurav Sharma with us, sir with us, who is the mentor, with the teacher of these students. So if you anything you want to ask any one of us, feel free.